High-growth Shopify stores have one thing in common. They never keep their customers waiting. I'm Liz, and today I'm going to show you how to install Tidio on your Shopify store in just minutes. In this video, we'll go through the recommended method of installing Tidio via a Shopify plugin, which gives you access to a whole bunch of exclusive Shopify features like tracking orders. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional chat widget ready to capture leads and answer customer questions 24/7. This is a part of our Getting Started with Tidio series, so if you're new here, don't forget to like and hit subscribe to follow along. Let's dive in. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Click Apps, and in the search bar, type Tidio. You'll see that it's one of the highest rated chat apps on the platform. Select the Tidio app, and then on the next screen, you'll confirm by clicking Install App to grant the necessary permissions. And then on the next step, Tidio will walk you through a quick setup. If you already have a Tidio account, you can log in and link your project. So I already have a Tidio account. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Before the widget is visible on your store, you have one very important step to complete. We're going to head back over to our Shopify admin and click on the edit theme icon beside online store. Click on the third icon, which is app embeds at the top bar on the left side, and find Tidio chat on the list and toggle it on. And then on the top right hand corner, hit save. Now your chat widget is officially live on your storefront, but let's go check our work to verify that your chat widget is visible on your website. So head over to your store's homepage, and if you give it a minute, you should see your widget. And now you can start to receive messages directly on your Tidio panel or via the Tidio mobile app. Now that it's installed, you're ready to automate. If you run into any issues, you can check out the full step-by-step guide in the description below, or reach out to our support team right inside the Tidio panel. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, you can also leave us a message below. And we'll see you in the next video.